Hey everyone, Anna Krueger here with Mega Lead Conversion and Roleplay Rumbles. And today I'm going to share two of the best questions to help get people off the fence. All right, well, there's a great question I love also for myself if I'm stuck in indecision. And that question is simply, what would need to happen for you to be comfortable and then fill in the blank? So let's say you're talking to someone who is on the fence about writing an offer on a house. Simply ask them, what would need to happen for you to be comfortable writing an offer on this house today? Or maybe you have someone who you've talked to for quite a few months, and every time you call them, they're like, can you just call me later? Again, a great question would simply be, what would need to happen for you to be comfortable to go ahead and meet with me about selling your home? And then if you have to hit mute on your phone so you quit talking and they can't hear you, do it. Make sure you just let that question hang and don't fill the silence and see what solutions they come up with. So again, the first question is, what would need to happen for you to be comfortable, and then fill in the blank. The second question would be for someone who seems hesitant, you can say, plan B seems like waiting. What would plan A be? And this especially works well for those expired leads who might be saying things like, well, we're going to wait because of the market, things like that. Simply saying, well, it sounds like plan B is waiting to make this happen. What was plan A back when you were excited about this? So again, the first question is, what would need to happen for you to be comfortable, and then fill in the blank. And then the second question would be, I'm assuming this is plan B. What would plan A be back when you were excited about this? And that can also help re-energize their motivation. Gary Keller, again, tells us in Shift, we have to constantly re-energize our clients about their motivation. So we got to take them back to plan A if they seem to be procrastinating. So use these two questions and let us know how it works for you. See you soon.